Hello and welcome to Happy Handicrafts. Today we're going to do the 7th lesson in our Brushwork series, which is a design of rose hips. We're using the book Brushwork, Elementary Brush Forms by Marion Hudson. As always, if you missed our first few lessons, I'll link to them below, as well as to our website where you'll find more details, including brush and paint suggestions. I'm not going to give much of an introduction to this lesson because it's going to be the same as for lesson number 6. So yeah, if you haven't done number 6, I would probably do that one first and then come on back. Now, especially if you're a homeschooling family, you'll want to check out the description as well for a link to the biggest list of homeschool handicrafts on the internet. Pause this video for a moment while you get that, and then let's get started. Just quickly, again, before we get started, the issue of the grid paper. Ours is a little different in size than in the book, so I've made an adaptation which you can find on our website. We're going to use only 2 colors for this lesson, red and green. And then the brown is achieved by mixing the red and green. When you're ready, place a small pea-sized amount of red and green paint onto your saucer. Continue the project just as for lesson number 6. As always, when you're done, be sure to clean your paintbrush thoroughly. Swish it well in a clean glass of water, adding soap if necessary. Be sure to remove all paint, ensuring no color appears on the napkin. Once it's washed, reshape the bristle with your fingers and store it lying flat on a napkin to dry after use. And this concludes our 7th brushwork lesson. Thank you for taking the time to craft with us, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.